The immune system is constantly active, figuring out which cells belong to our body and fighting foreign bodies. This means the immune system needs a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals to keep its energy up. When the immunity system is weak, it is easier to fall sick. The body also takes a longer time to recover if our immunity levels are low. There are many ways to boost your immunity. The good news is, this can be achieved using natural ingredients. We have already shared a few effective ways to boost immunity on this channel. You can also try the turmeric ginger tea or the garlic shot that we have shown earlier to improve your immunity. Just head on to our playlist called Immunity Booster Recipes and get to know of some cool recipes to boost immunity. Keep watching this video till the end if you want to learn yet another effective way. Did you know smoothie is an excellent energy drink? It is loaded with plenty of vitamins, minerals and proteins that helps your body remain active. The tricky part is to make a healthy smoothie taste good naturally. Today we'll show you how to prepare a healthy and delicious green smoothie. The first step is to make the smoothie sweet. For this you can use mango, pineapple and kiwi. These fruits are packed with vitamin C. An extra squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds a fresh twist to the drink. You can also add fresh ginger to the mix. Ginger has been proven to help with nausea, pain and inflammation. Every smoothie needs a liquid so that the ingredients can blend well. You can add almond milk to make it healthy. Almonds contain lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium and vitamin E. Almonds have numerous health benefits. It lowers blood sugar levels, reduced blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. They can also reduce hunger and promote weight loss. Blending all these together, you will have a healthy and delicious smoothie. If you like your smoothie to be chilled, you can refrigerate it for some time before drinking. Try out this simple smoothie for yourself today. It is packed with vitamins, minerals and protein. All this will help to keep your immune system strong. Let us know in the comments below, which is your favorite fruit you usually add in a smoothie. Subscribe to this channel for more such interesting recipes.